Hello YouTube, iFixItAll here, Team iFixItAll. So I've got my herb beds boxed in. Got things set up to where now I'm ready to add mulch. I thought I would do a quick video on the status. Got my mower with my trailer and some mulch on, but I'll do a zoom in here and you can take a look. And what we got there is some of the dirt I took out of each bed and transferred it over to the strawberry patch, like 1 or 2 shovel loads of dirt, because when I added these logs, side profile here, you add a log, then there's a lower log, then an upper shoring log. You end up taking up space in the earth, and I had a significant amount of extra dirt, so I transferred a lot of that over to the strawberry bed, and the chickens are already starting to attack it. Got to add a little bit more mulch in that, and I'll probably empty out my composter, which is the sideways looking white barrel that has coffee grounds, mostly just coffee grounds, and whatever else the chickens won't eat, and dirt. Put that in there too. But I'm topping off this dirt with a little bit of mulch, and I'll stir that in. Ended up getting 10 beds here. So this is where Brittany will be able to grow her herbs in an organized fashion, right alongside our berries. And I guess tomorrow I'm going to be adding mulch around the entire area again, like where you see it all brown, roughed out. There's existing mulch already, but I can do a combination of raking what I have back in and adding some. Most of the mulch will probably be for our walkway right up through here. I can move on to adding like 8 or 10 inch long pieces of pipe in the ground about every 4 or 5 foot to create my bamboo arches, and then move on to putting netting over it. I'm coming up with 20-foot lengths of bamboo, so I'll have a main shoot as it tapers skinny going that way, then the main bottom of the bamboo over here, and as it tapers and gets skinny, it'll be secured as one in the arch. All of them need to be about 20 feet. You know, if you do the math on it, it's a 40-foot circle, but when you no, 60 something, 3.14, 65, 68-ish circumference, but you divide that by 2 roughly, and you come up with your radius. In this case right here, I only got a 9-foot wide path, 20-foot arch here, because I'm dealing with an ellipse, but it's still a circle if you stretch it out in your mind and play around with it. I'm going to come up with about probably 6.5 foot clearance over those bushes, which are right at 6.5 foot right now. So I just don't want anything really super tall. But this will give us a way to walk in to the netting and deal with herbs or deal with berries, and keep it away from birds and chickens, because I've already lost my strawberry patch. In a couple of days I gotta go buy some strawberry plants and start over again. But that's where we're at so far. All right, guys, hope you have a great day. Tomorrow is mulch, staking out where my arches are going to go, harvesting my bamboo right here on my property, securing it up, installing it into where I've got these tubes set in the ground, and diagonal bracing it, and then horizontally bracing it so it's somewhat steady, and then get netting on it. Talk at you later. See ya. Bye.